Have you ever wondered how to start your very own WhatsApp channel? Yes, in this video we are going to talk about creating your first WhatsApp channel where you can monetize your content. I'm talking about monetization because there are multiple ways to monetize your content. So many celebrities and business owners have already created channels on WhatsApp. Now you can do the same. You can promote your business, online, offline business, or you are doing it for any purpose. You want some followers there, then you are fully protected. Your number will not be shown to anybody. You can do it on WhatsApp business or the normal WhatsApp and create a channel, same like creating channel on YouTube and other platforms. It's quite easy. Let's get started. To create your WhatsApp channel, you just need to go to your app store and first of all update this one. I have already updated, so I'm gonna open. You will see this option in the bottom left corner. There is update option. There are other settings option. That's the normal WhatsApp, but go to updates and here you will see the guy. I'm following him. That's the one person. He has a channel, and if you didn't see, just scroll down and here is a plus icon. Just go to this one and create a channel. Remember, your privacy is not leaked out. Nobody can see your number. You are fully protected. So it's like end-to-end encryption is there, and only you and your admin can see your number, nothing else. Okay, continue this one, and here you can write the name of your channel. Let's say I write 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒕, and here you can write the description of your channel. Quite easy. And in this place you can upload, take a photo, choose one, or you can have emojis or stickers here. I can, for now, I can have this one done and create a channel. It's that easy. Now here you can promote your business, no matter, like I was talking about monetizing your content. So you are a celebrity, you're doing online business, or you're doing any sort of online things, then you can promote your products or whatsoever you are doing here. If you go to top right corner, you will see this channel information here, and you can always go back to change this information. Go to edit and you can change this name or picture or avatar. In the channel setting, you can have these emojis and other stuff. Here you can invite somebody with the help of this link. That is your link, and you can invite directly via WhatsApp to your contact saved on your phone, and then you can also share it to your WhatsApp status. You can also copy the link and send it to any person on Facebook or other social media platforms. Let's say I'm gonna go to my Facebook and I can post it here like that. Ask people to subscribe this one. If you're already having a big channel, then of course you can promote your product and earn some money from your business, online business or website or YouTube channel. You can do this kind of stuff. You can always come back and delete this channel if you want to delete. And how it looks like, let's say I'm following this guy and I can't write any messages to him. I can just see his posts, whatever he's promoting, and he already got like created 2 days ago, and he already got almost like 4,000 followers, and there is no limit to follow anybody. There are unlimited followers. If I go other places, like if I go to my channels, here I can see some of the channels, find channels, and you can see that there are, like, this is a TV channel in my country, so 4.9 million followers are already there. So there are other 3.3 million ARY news and this kind of thing. If I scroll all the way down, you will see that UNICEF and CNN, everybody has created, and they already got like millions of followers there, and they are promoting their stuff and they are sharing news and all the information. So this is quite easy to have your own channel on WhatsApp to promote and monetize your content. The channel I just created will be in the description, so just go and follow the link, and I'll see you there on WhatsApp as well. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Up to the next video. Bye.